Good morning, everyone. Um, this is Profit FX. As we always, I just want to say I should drop one video for you this morning, and what I'm going to talk about today is how to gain confidence to trade the financial markets profitably. Trade the financial markets profitably. Now, first thing I want you to know, if you want to trade financial market profitably, the first thing you must do is to study the market. Why I call it financial market is be it crypto, be it forex, be it stock, indices, and so on like that. So they are all digital instruments. So the first thing you need to know is to study the basis. You understand of the market you want to trade. If you don't study what you want to do. Let's say you want to do any business now and you don't study it. How do you want to profit? So maybe because you see that uh letter A is doing the business and is making money. And you two just want to jump on it and start making money. No, it's not like that. Everything you do in life, you must study it first. Whatever you want to do, you must study that thing first. Even if you want to be with any human being, you must study the person. Study the person. uh, what do you want to study in human being is their attitude. You should study the person's attitude, and you ask yourself, is this person attitude be okay with mine? Because we have different human being and we have different character, so we can't be the same. A will be different from B. B will be different from C. So that is how we are, and that is how God created us. So the same thing apply to forex trading or any other digital market. Before you step in, you know, to this business, you must make sure that you know every damn thing that it's required. Knowledge, time, money. This is the three basic things that this business required. More knowledge, time, and money. So if you don't have any knowledge of how to trade the forex market, you can't just come to the market and think you want to make money. You can't make money. That is just the reality. So this is not a gambling firm that you don't need to know many things before you come to the market and to the betting market and just pick whatever thing you want to pick, win, lose, and whatever. But that is why this forex market is different from other uh, betting whatever. So this is not a gamble, it's business. So you must study it first. So if you study the basis, you understand, and you understand it clearly, okay, you know that, oh, this is where I supposed to go, this is where I supposed to go, this is where I supposed to go. So the basis are the maybe like the fundamental, the forex fundamental, how forex started, uh understanding the currency pair, if it is crypto market, understanding the coin. We have different type of coins: Bitcoin, altcoin, so many things. BNB, Ethereum, uh, US Cash, Doge, and so on like that. So now the same thing applies to forex market. We have different pair. Euro USD, so on like that. So what is Euro USD? You should be asking yourself, what is Euro USD? What is GBP USD? What is USD JPY? Why are they calling them like that? What make this pair come up in this way? So you should understand what you want to trade. That is very important to understand the basis. So the basis such as leverage, what is leverage? How are they using leverage? What is spread? How do I want to use spread? What is margin? So what is margin call? All those things you need to understand them. So once you understand those bases, then you already kickstart your journey. So you already kickstart your journey. Then the number two is that you should study the charts. So from when you are during the time that you are studying your basis, then you must have heard about charts inside your basis, like MT4, MT5, trading view, and so on like that. So you must understand the charts. You must understand the platform that you want to use to trade the market, because it's an application. You must study it. You must understand it. There are a lot of menus there that you need to understand. Let's say, for instance, let me take you back to my chart. Let's say, for instance, this is MT4, and you can see this is my real account live trading. This is MT4, right? So now let's say uh you want to trade on MT4. How do you want to trade on MT4? You can't just, that's why I used to tell people that trading is beyond, let me just download MT4 and put my money and start trading. Oh, what I just need to know is some little things, and then I'll start trading. Me, I don't tell people like that. I used to tell them, you will work. You have to work your ass off. If you want to profit in this business, you have to work. It is not something easy. It is not. I used to tell people, don't let people be feeling that Forex is get rich quick. It's an easy thing that you can just come and make money. It is not easy. It is not easy. So just like telling me that, oh, just enter your car. Maybe you want to be doing Uber or something. Just enter your car and start driving, then you'll be making money. No, you have to walk. You walk. You will go, come. You walk. So the same thing applies to this business. I don't know why people are just having uh, the wrong understanding of the market. So you must have the right understanding. You understand? So all these things, you must be familiar with them. All here, you must familiar with them. This you must know their meaning. You must know what they mean. All these things you must know what before the time frame. It's not just to understand the time frame and so on like that. There are a lot of tools here that you need to understand. Is it Fibonacci, moving average, stochastic, and so on like that. So any instrument that you want to understand, you must make sure that you understand it clearly. It is very important. So you must study the chart, familiarize yourself with the chart, and so on like that. And you can see that my chart surface might be different from what you are what your own. So you must understand it. And if you see that you can't do the process on your own, you can have a mentor. And this is we are still going to talk about that. Maybe in my next video, we're going to talk about having mentor, the advantage, the disadvantage, and so on like that. So you can have a mentor that will take you through the process. This is very important, and it will make the process be so easy for you. So it is important to know all these things. So now you need to study the chart, familiarize yourself with the chart, understanding some basic tools there that you're going to use while you are trading. So number three is that you need to practice the charts. Yes, you need to practice what you study. So when you study your charts, like candlestick, uh, that is candlestick chart, we have bar charts, and so on like that. So if it is candlestick you want to be using to trade, you can choose candlestick. If it is bar chart you want to be using to trade, you can use bar chart. So you need to understand all those things. Then you started practicing. What are you going to practice there? Right? Okay. That means under what you want to practice, while you are studying the chart, you must have come across buying and selling, pending order, direct order, stop loss, take profits, um, what other ones? Uh, position sizing, and so on like that. So those are the things you need to study when you're studying your chart. Are you getting me? Now, you have to practice what you study. So all those things
Okay, how am I going to, buy? If I want to buy, how am I going to do that? If I want to sell, how am I going to do that? So selling is that when the market is going down, sell. When the market is coming up, is buy. So it is not about buy, sell, just buy and sell. There are a lot of things you need to know under this. So like your trading strategy. So now once you study your chart, practice it, then that means you are practicing what you study. During the time that you are studying, you must have seen some trading uh, pattern, like price action, indicator, uh, forex news, um, which other one? Support and resistance, supply and demand, the zone, and so on like that. Pump and dump, and so on like that. Different strategies, different trading style. So you must have learned it while you are studying your chart. Now, out of those things that you learn, you need to practice them. Then after what you practice, then you now create your own trading strategy with what you have studied and practiced. So now there is no how you will not have personal strategy. If you want to make profit in this business, you must have your own personal trading strategy. This is very important. If you are waiting for somebody to give you the strategy, or you're waiting for somebody to send you signal, you are seriously you are putting yourself to failure. That means you are lazy and you don't want to learn. And to make it in this business, you have to learn. You have to be, to be independent. Are you getting me? To be independent, to trade on your own. Either you fail, you pass it, just keep doing on your own. That means before you be able to do all these things on your own, you must have, understand your basis, the basis of the market. You must have studied the chart. You must have practiced. You must have had some trading strategy. If it is one, two, three, anyone. But you can start with one, start practicing. Okay, let me give you an example. What is trading strategy? You must understand it. Are you getting me? Those are the things when you're studying your chart, those are the things you need to understand. What is trading strategy? How am I going to create trading strategy? Now, example is that let me say you want to be a day trader, for example, right? You must have understand being a day trader during the time that you're studying your market basis. Day trading, swing trading, scalping, position trading, long time trading, and so on like that. So you must have understand that during your basis. So you can see that this thing is process. So this is how your confidence, you'll be building your confidence. So you can see that you don't from the start, you don't have the mentality of I want to get rich quick. The mentality you have is that I want to follow this due process. I want to learn the step of how to be confident and how to trade profitably. So if you just jump to the market, a lot of traders jump to the market and with wrong, wrong mindset, wrong belief, wrong understanding. Are you getting me? Maybe they just saw one video, like I can post a video there, uploading a lot of dollars there and think that I made $100 million in 1 hour. Yeah, it happens. I just say this doesn't happen. But it's not realistic. That's just the truth. That is just the truth. It is not realistic. Maybe those lucky traders, if you are lucky, you understand. But sometimes you need to work very hard. And even those that the person that make $100 million in a day, ask the person how much is your trading equity, your trading capital. Are you getting me? How much is your trading capital? And how long have you been trading that? So yes, I had a guy that made I think it's not $200,000 with I think with $1,000 or something. But he's gambling. What he's doing is that I want to lose this money. I just want to lose it. I just want to use it to gamble. And he's lucky and the thing goes his way and he's lucky. You understand? Because when you are taking because of leverage opportunity, you are taking 10 standard lots, 5 standard lots on $1,000 equity. That means you are putting yourself to high risk. Then you are ready to lose the money. But you that you are just keeping your $1,000, it's different. That you just want to put it there and start earning some little profit. So if you or you that have not studied the process very well, you don't know how the forex market runs. You just want to put your 1,000 there and start trading 50 standard lots. You blow the money. So you need to understand it. Me, I don't listen to all those things. Honestly, I don't listen to it. So I don't say it's bad. It's not bad because you can listen to them just to boost yourself, just to have more confidence that oh, forex trading is real. It is not a scamming things. If you get scammed through this business, that means that person is just a scammer. Is a wrong person. You understand? This is a business that so many people do. Billionaires are doing it. Millionaires are doing it. Politicians are doing it. Big men in the world are doing it. You understand? So you can't go and tell me that it's not real. It's real. This is the whole universe. This is the whole universe business. I guess this is the universe business. The whole world are doing it. It's about our currency. It's about the moving. About transacting of one currency to another. So we now place it, in a game form. You understand? Trading it visually. That is it. So it is real, it is not fake. So you can just do all those things to know that these are real things. So creating your trading strategy. Okay, now let's say I want to be day trading now. Okay, what am I going to be? Okay, if I'm day trading now, what currency pair am I going to be trading? You understand? Maybe during the UK market, during the US market, intraday. So you must have understand your intraday trading, the meaning when you're studying the basis. So now, okay, if I want to trade intraday, then what price action am I going to be trading? You must be specific. It is not that you will just come to the market and just this is sell, oh this is buy, oh let me take it, let me buy, let me sell. No, it's just not about that. You must have understand some particular price charts. Okay, are you gonna be trading triple top? You know, are you gonna be trading wedge? Are you gonna be trading double top? Are you gonna be trading head and shoulder? So that means when you see head and shoulder, you already know that this is head and shoulder, and this is the next thing you need to do. You understand? Okay, if I see head and shoulder, I'm going to trade it. If I see double top price pattern, I'm going to trade it. So do you know how to identify your double top? Do you know how to identify your triple top? Are you getting me? Do you know how to identify your support and resistance level? Do you know how to identify your zone? Do you know the meaning of do you know the meaning of minor zone and major zone? Are you getting me? So do you are you so familiar to your chart that do you know the difference between a reversal and a pullback? Do you know the difference between a continuation chart and what is the market behavior? Do you know all those things? So before you can create your trading strategy, you must know all these things. So when market is trending, this is what I'm going to do. When market is ranging, this is what I'm going to do. So you must understand all these things before you can create your trading strategy. So by creating your strategy, you want to stick to one plan. You want to stick to a specific style. Okay, I'm gonna trade only double top. If I don't see double top or bottom, I'm not gonna buy or sell. So these are the things. Then if I want anytime I see my double top or bottom, okay, what time frame am I going to be analyzing that? Am I going to be waiting for that? And what time frame am I going to be executing my trade? So that is trading strategy. So now you must create a trading plan. It is different from strategy. A trading plan is that what time am I going to wake up to trade? Am I going to be trading during the US session? Am I going to be trading during the UK session? Am I going to be trading during the Asia session? So these are the three major sessions that we have. So, okay, I'm from Asia. Definitely, you'll be trading more of Asia, except if you want to wait. Um, if you want to wait for um, um, UK session. So by the time you are waiting for UK session during the Asia time zone, they must have been in the evening. So those are the things you need to understand. It's okay. I'm gonna be trading UK session. Once I wake up, okay, when are you going to wake up?
6 a.m., 7 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m. Okay, when you wake up, what are you gonna do? What are your plans? Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do, you need to write them down. You're gonna write them. You have a jotter or whatever you call it. So you jot them down. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Once I wake up, put on my device. Then the first thing I'm gonna do is to read my trading plan. That is the first thing. Read my trading plan to to refresh my brain. To refresh my brain. You have to read your trading plan. What did you write there? Just to keep you reminded that, oh, this is what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do. When market do this, this is what I'm gonna do. When market do this is what I'm gonna do. So that is what is called trading plan. If market don't do this, I'm not gonna do this. If market don't do this, I'm not gonna do this. It is something that you create for yourself, and you must make it simple, and you must make sure that you trust that your plan. Just trust it. You understand? Trust the plan. So if you don't trust your plan, then to gain your confidence, it will be very, very difficult. And by trusting it, you must make sure that you are repeating that same thing every blessed day. And so I'm gonna trade. Okay, I'm gonna trade only one pair, maybe GBP JPY. I'm gonna trade GBP USD. I'm gonna trade Euro USD. Okay, I'm gonna trade both GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, if this is this, let it be this. So it's a condition, it's a clause. You must have so many clauses, and you must follow those clauses. That is what's called a trading plan. You understand? So you can see that both the strategy and the plan, they're working hand to hand. So it's timing. The plan is about timing. So okay, from 8 to 12, that is the period I'm going to trade. Being a day trader doesn't mean that I should be there 24/7. No. Okay, during the US session, I'm going to get in once it is maybe like 2 p.m. UK time or 3 p.m. UK time. I'm going to the same thing. I'm going to be doing the same thing. That is trading plan. Now you need to stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. That your plan, be repeating it, be repeating it, be repeating it. So this business is about repetition. So you have to repeating one thing you are doing. You have to repeat it so that you become perfect. And once that thing comes, once you spot that thing in the market, it will be new to you. You understand? So then know that it is a game of probability. Yes, it's a game of probability. Whatever plan you have, it is probability. Are you getting me? So having your trading plan and strategy will give you high probability to make profit. So and to give you more confidence. Then you must have patience. You must be patient. When you take a trade, when you have mastered your trading plan, your trading plan and strategy, and you stick to it, are you getting me? If you make a trade on that plan, be patient. Be patient because you must have practiced it. You must have practiced it very well. So what you want to create, what you created, you must have practiced it. So know how it's running. Okay, if I take DPUSD now with this my price action, how many people is going to give me, or is it in point that you calculate your own? Anyhow, so you must understand this. Are you getting me? Then how long am I going to be waiting? You understand? Some trade could take you like 24 hours before they come your way. Some 12 hours, some immediately. So the market behavior are different. So you must get used to this, to all these things. So being patient is very, very important. Now, you have to treat it as business. See, that's why I told you, you are not gambling, you are doing business. So you have to treat it as business. This is business I want to do. Anytime you come to the market, let it be in your mind that you want to do business. So you want to take money from the market, then you are doing business. This is why it's called trading. We don't call it gambling, we call it trading. And what is the meaning of trading? When you are trading. You know, you go to the market every day, you trade, you buy, sell. That's what's called trading. So you can go to the car market now and buy car, auction it, sell it, buy it again, auction, sell. So this is about buying and selling things. So okay, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna hold it with me, and once it is accumulated or whatever, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell this then to get another one. That is how it is. So it is business, and treat it as that. Then the last one is that don't think of what you want to make. Like, do not think of the money you want to make. That, oh, today I want to go to the market and make $100. I want to go to the market and make $1,000. I must make $5,000 today. No, it is not about that. If you're having this kind of mentality, that means you are putting yourself into trouble. That means you are putting yourself into trouble. You understand? So you are assuming that you want to gamble. So if you don't make that money, you may be forcing yourself to take whatever trade you want to take, and it is risky. The more you must not be blindly aggressive. Let me use that word. What I mean by that is that you must not be aggressive without saying what you want to trade. Okay, so what is now the meaning of being aggressive? When you don't see what you want to do and you just start being anxious on yourself. No, you must wait. That patience is the first thing. You must wait. See what the market is doing. See where you enter the market. You must enter the market at a favorable price. So, but if you have it in mind that I want to make certain amount today, you understand? That is what will be in your mind. And once you come to the market, that is what you'll be doing. You want to trade any, let me just trade anything. Let me just trade anything. And a good trader must always trade according to his or her plan. This is important. So, what you need to be thinking of is that how to make sure that your process is perfect. That means you always follow it every day. You always make it perfect. You always tweak it. You know, okay, if market do this, what am I gonna do? So you always follow the process. Think of the process, not the money. So the money will come definitely. If your process is perfect, that is profit. Can you see that? A perfect process equals to profit automatically. Automatically, a perfect process equals to profit. This is not if you get your process right and you are making profit, nobody will take your money. No, 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 no no brokers take your money except if they are fake brokers. And this is part of the thing. You need to have a mentor, so your mentor cannot see. I'm talking about the right mentor, a very good mentor, right mentor, not scammers. Please understand me. Not those that scam. You know, go to those that know the market, those that understand it, and you will know those that understand it. You know, like I told you, a content creator is different from a trader. Like now, all this I'm telling you, I don't have anything written. I don't. I don't have it. I'm just telling you this based on my experience, based on what I've seen, based on what I've done, my mistakes, my errors, and so on like that. That is what make me come up with it. That okay, I need to share this uh with my people. So please, please, either you are new or you are experienced or whatever, always study, always study, always study, always study. Even if you know your plan, then keep studying market behavior and so on like that. Read psychological book is there, different books. You can read them. Go and search them. Read them. This will be sharpen your brain. It will be sharpen your brain every day. And it will be giving you more hope and more confidence. So thank you guys. I really appreciate you. Thanks for the trust. Thanks for the love. God bless you. Do have a blessed day. Bye.